Straight down.
Yeah, people tend to twist. Don't twist. Go straight down.
Straight down. Oh, that feels good.
Leave a little at the top.
Uh-oh. Is that good?
No, that's good. Now go straight up.
Straight up.
It's heavy.
Heavy and yummy.
Now shake it up and down.
We are the new kings, winning this fight tonight with our name lit up in light.
Hi guys, welcome to the show. Right now, you know that saying where they say, I feel like a kid in a candy store? Well, today is literally my lucky day. I am a sucker for sugar. I love caramel apples, and I happen to be joined today by John Newbery, founder and owner of Newberry Candy. And your slogan says, just like grandma recipe, is that what it says?
Just like grandma used to make.
Just like grandma used to make. So you have original recipes coming from your mom, from what I understand.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. I love your store. It's an immersive experience. You can find a beautiful display of treats here. We got the giant peanut butter cups, chocolate dipped walnuts, pecan turtles, you name it. Absolutely beautiful. And then from what I understand, you're going to be teaching me today how to make caramel apples from scratch.
Yes.
I always buy them, but I never get to make them. So this is going to be a first for me, and I can't wait.
Okay.
So let's start over to the back. Oh, and did I mention you have chocolate-covered potato chips? Seriously, so clever. I've never tried it, but I'm sure I would like it. Because I'm imagining the combination of the savory and the sugar would be a great combination.
Salty and sweet.
I always like that combination. Salty and sweet, you never go wrong with that.
Yes.
So right now, what we have some apples, dark chocolate, M&ms, pecans.
And chocolate chips. So this is the stick inserter. You wouldn't be able to do this without this.
Right.
After one or two, your hands would break.
I can
So you
imagine.
grab a stick.
Right.
Put the pointy end up, drop it in there.
Bam!
Pick your favorite apple.
This is the chosen one.
Okay, and then the bottom goes here.
The bottom goes here.
Yep, put both hands on top and push down hard.
Oh! Magic!
That's it.
Okay, awesome. Step one is good. Look at this. Seriously, John. I just want to dip my finger and have a go, but no. The apple is going to be the one.
So go straight down.
Straight down.
Yeah, people tend to twist. Don't twist. Go straight down.
Straight down.
Until you get
Oh,
up
that
and
feels
just
good.
Leave a little at the top.
Uh-oh. Is that good?
No, that's good. Now go straight up.
Straight
It's
up.
heavy.
Heavy and yummy!
Now shake it up and down.
Okay, yeah. I can feel the tug.
Yes.
It's a workout.
Yes. You need those little blobs on the bottom to fall off, because if you don't, there'll be a big blobby mess when you finished apple, and you don't want that.
It's heavy.
So you grab the spatula.
Grab a spatula.
Yep. There you go.
Okay.
And then you set the apple on the edge of the spatula over
Right
the
here?
thing. No. Set the apple.
Oh, set it
Like
on.
that.
Okay,
Now
perfect.
spin the apple.
Oh, okay. Wow, it's heavy.
There you go. That looks good. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, now take the apple and turn it upside down. And just put the spatula in there. Just put it
Right
in.
here?
Yep, just leave it in there. It's fine.
oh.
There you go.
Wow.
Now give it a little shake to kind of make it settle.
It doesn't matter if you have
Doesn't matter.
this left over.
That'll be fine.
It's a nice little
Yes.
reminder that I
Yes.
made this. My first
Now, if
candied
you're gonna
apple.
have just a plain apple, that's
Okay.
it. You're done.
This is actually one of my favorite ones, but I want to try some garnishes.
You want to put
yes.
M&ms on it, or you want to put nuts, or what?
Let's try M&M.
M&Ms. Okay. So,
I know that kids love color, so I think
Yes.
this would be one of their.
So the trick with this
favorite
is you
choice.
put it in and you roll it. Pick it up, roll it. Don't drag it.
Put it in.
Roll.
Roll.
Pick it up.
Pick it up. Put it in.
Roll.
Roll. Pick it
And now
up.
take your hands and squish it on the top. Be aggressive.
Oh, that's so cute. For some reason, chocolate and caramel goes so well together.
It's the best.
And when you add the tartness from the apple,
Yeah.
it's just the perfect combination.
That's why we use Granny Smiths.
Granny
'Cause they're
Smith's.
tarts, yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you've never actually used a red apple, for instance? I've always been curious.
No, red
It's
apples
always
are used for candied apples.
Okay.
Which is a completely different thing.
okay.
Yeah. So turn it over, put it 2 hands, hold it literally, and just kind of squish it together.
Squish it.
Yep.
Stick it in there.
Make it happy.
Oh, and it's still warm. I love how you feel
Yes.
the warmness from the caramel.
Yeah, it's not hot, but it's warm,
Yes.
which is nice.
I'm
And then you turn
placing
it
them all
upside down, and there you go.
Upside down. And this is my very first caramel apple.
And it's perfect.
Yes, it is. My very first baby. Here you go. So right now we have chocolate chips.
Yep,
This, I think, is one of your favorites, the apple pie.
correct.
So what does it have?
That is caramel,
Okay.
white chocolate,
White chocolate.
apple pie seasoning, and graham cracker.
Yum. And what about this one? This is a cute, is this like a Minnie Mouse?
Yep. A black and white vintage Minnie Mouse.
Marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
White chocolate.
Caramel, white chocolate. Yep.
Beautiful.
And then M&Ms and white dark chocolate bow.
And this is just plain nuts.
Peanuts. Yep.
Peanuts.
A classic.
Yum. Okay. So finally, John, where can we find you on social media?
We're at Newberry Candy on Facebook and Instagram. Yep. And then our website is newberrycandy.com.
Newberrycandy.com?
Yep.
Amazing, John. Seriously, thank you so much. This was a treat. My very first candied apple. I am so excited. I am going to have a bite at that. And in the meantime, I'm going to toss it over to Jeanette, who's having a delicious meal at Badass Tacos. So let's head over there.